So children, in this part we are going to discuss about the types of the xylem tissue. There are lots of types are found, so one by one we will discuss about it. So let's learn about the types of the xylem tissue.
So children, first we will see the annular tracheids. Annular tracheids are ring-like structures present on the inner side of the wall. Here you can see the blue color inner lining of the spiral-like ring structure, which is called annular tracheids. And here is the spiral tracheids. The spiral tracheids are present on the secondary wall, also known as the helical tracheids. Here is the third type of tracheid is reticulate tracheids. So reticulate tracheids are present in the network form. Here you can see the network of the reticulate type of tracheids. This is the scalariform tracheids which are parallel band-like structure. Here you can see the parallel bands. These type of tracheids are called scalariform tracheids. Now we are moving with the pitted tracheids. Pitted tracheids have less or more circular area. These unlignified cells are for the rapid conduction of water. So here it is the function of pitted type of tracheid that it helps in the rapid conduction of water. As you know that the xylem is for the proper functioning of the conduction of water, and here is the type of xylem which is also helpful or giving more rapid conduction of water is pitted tracheids. So this is important point you can write that pitted tracheids are the type of xylem tissue which perform rapid conduction of water. Now this is the cross section or the microscopic view of the xylem tissue. Tracheids are found in ferns and gymnosperm. Ferns and gymnosperm you have learned in the classification. So this is the tissue of fern, and here this is the vascular bundle of fern. In the vascular bundle you will find phloem and xylem. Always anywhere when we have a vascular bundle, in the vascular bundle basically we found xylem and phloem. So vascular bundles are made of xylem and phloem and the cambium ring. So here is the xylem tissue of fern vascular bundle. They mainly help in the water and mineral conduction from root to leaves. They provide mechanical strength as they are hard and lignified walls. Now let us learn about xylem vessels in detail. We have talked about the xylem tissues. So we have talked about four different type of xylem. First we have already seen the tracheids, different type of tracheids. Now we are moving with the second type of xylem, xylem vessels. Let's learn in detail. These are water conducting tissues of a plant. Here you can see the xylem fiber, tracheid and vessel. Their shapes and structure are different. Some are tapered, some are tubular in structure. These are long cylindrical cells arranged to form long tube. This is the second diagram which you can see. They are arranged in a cylindrical cell-like structures, and the outer covering is called lignified or hard covering because lignin layer is present. This type of vessel is called xylem vessel, and this is the cross section. The second diagram is a cross section. Here you can see the orange color is xylem and the yellow color demarcation is the phloem. Based on perforation plates, they are classified as simple and multiple, scalariform, foraminate, reticulate. Let's learn about them. In simple perforation, there is a perforation plate present at the end of the vessel member. So, here you can see the perforation plate and outside is a pit and the xylem vessel element. The whole structure is xylem vessel element. Here you can compare the xylem and phloem. In multiple, there are more than one pores are present which form more perforation plates. In scalariform, the pores are parallel to each other. Here you can see in scalariform, pores are parallel to each other. In fulminate, the pores are circular and they are in grouped form. In the reticulate form, many pores are composed to form a perforation plate. You can see at the top, reticulate formation forms the perforated type of plate. Now, let us learn about xylem parenchyma in detail.